Hi, Quinn.
Quinn, if I take this from you, will you get upset? Say probably, but we gotta have a little bit of a picture with you without it.
First time in your bumbo seat?
Yeah. Oh no. Okay, you can have that back. Keep your head up, honey.
Got the whole family up here. Got Mom and Quinn and Aiden and Bryn. Dad's homework. On spring break, no less.
She's getting tired though. So we had a big day. We went down to Galveston today.
You have a long car ride? No, Bryn. We're not going on a car ride.
Are we tired of the bumbo? Yeah. Okay. 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 Yeah. Alright. You sit here for a second. Here. Is that better? Is that better? Say only a little bit. Only a little bit.
Bryn, come.
Yeah. You see your monkey? You like the way it feels, don't you? Okay. Okay. Here you go. There, see, magic plastic fixes
Got an
it.
unhappy baby.
Magic plastic fixes it all.
Hi, Bryn. Are you close enough to me? Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, that's better. That's all better.
All right. Say bye, Quinn.